Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to connect any Bluetooth headphones to Xbox One. So connecting Bluetooth headphones to an Xbox One can be a bit tricky because the Xbox One does not natively support Bluetooth audio devices. However, you can still achieve this with a few workaround methods. First, let's start by ensuring the Bluetooth adapter is fully charged unless it already has sufficient power. Some wireless controllers like the Xbox One stereo headset adapter come partially charged out of the box. When fully charged, the adapter's battery should last at least 10 hours. Next, connect the adapters to the Xbox One controller using the 3.5 mm auxiliary port. Turn on the adapter by pressing and holding its power button, then put it into pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED flashes twice quickly every second. Now, pair the Bluetooth headphones with the adapter and put the headphones into pairing mode as well, which typically involves pressing and holding a pairing button. For example, these Tozo HT2 headphones have a pairing button that can be pressed to connect to the Xbox One. Once both devices are in pairing mode, they should connect within a few seconds indicated by the LEDs, so both devices returning to normal. Lastly, unless you prefer using it for voice chat, turn off the microphone built into the Bluetooth adapter. Leaving it on might result in it picking up background noise from joystick movements and button presses. When finished gaming, it's recommended to turn off the Bluetooth adapter to conserve battery power. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.